Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
Hey folks, how you doing today? So I was able to pick up one of these 1940s halo bar lights. This is the first one I ever owned. I always thought they were super cool. It's called a halo light because it illuminates the halo here. This is a reverse glass sign here. When I got it in, it was in good condition to do what I did to it. So what I did was I took it apart, took it all apart, did a nice service on it. I repainted the brown here, leaving the original graphics on here for you, so it still has its halo original graphics. As well as underneath it, I left all of the original markings from the factory here. It's got the original spring, super nice little piece here. These are really cool lights, and you really don't see hardly any of these. The other thing that I did is I sprayed this in a nice silver, which it was originally a plate, but I didn't want to put that much money in it because I don't want to pass that on to you. Took the reverse glass out. There was a bit of checking all here in the opaque brown area. So I corrected it and I painted it all back out to opaque. The nice thing was all the mirror outline here and the mirror outline here was all in very good shape, as well as the Schlitz. Reverse glass light up 1940s halo bar Schlitz sign, really great condition. Once again, you don't see these that often. First one I've ever owned, wanted to get it, wanted to do it. I like buying stuff, I like fixing stuff, and this was a great candidate for us. And for all you people out there who watch our videos, you're chiming in all the time. We very much so appreciate it. Let us know what you think. I mean, we always get 99.9% great comments, and we love that. And then some people are just not all that smart. So you keep chiming in. We'll keep building them. Actually, YouTube just sent us a thing this morning saying you guys are now eligible for payment on your YouTube channel. So even YouTube's contacting us, telling us we're doing a great job, and they would like to start putting us up to start receiving money. Great deal. So that tells us we're doing a good job too. Lots of good things happening around here. Thanks for watching, and we love doing this stuff for you folks. Anyway, have a nice day.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.